Dear students, welcome back guys. Dear students, here in that tutorial I would go on that shape options where we could put a beautiful shape and that beautiful image. Here guys I could go on that stroke options where that kinds of strokes we could try on the pictures, like these beautiful strokes are available on it. And friends, I have to choose that one stroke to put on it, where I could also put the borders on that stroke and such kind of a border have been try on it. Now I could also make the duplicate of it guys, where here different kinds of arrows and lines and geometrical shapes and circulars are available, and I have to choose that one circular for that.